Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Journey to Wisdom and Wealth. My name is Tara. If you're new, welcome. If you're not new, welcome back. You know, you're already part of the what? Grateful gang, gang, gang. Grateful gang, 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 gang. Grateful gang, gang, gang. Grateful gang, 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 gang. And if you're not a part of the Grateful Gang, we'd love to have you over here. You know, over here, we're just doing digital budgeting using our Google Sheets, being grateful for all the things that God has blessed us with. We do allocation of our paycheck, closeout of our paycheck, tracking expenses, sinking funds, savings challenges, all the jazz. So if any of that interests you, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and give the video a thumbs up. I truly would appreciate it. Today's video, we're going to be closing out our paycheck number 3 of July. I am a bi-weekly payer. I get paid bi-weekly, and I used my last paycheck in June and pushed it into July. We'll be back to just 2 checks a pay period every month for August. I don't know why I'm so discombobulated today. If it's not light enough, I'm sorry. It's very cloudy and it's been doing these weird thunderstorms and rain showers this whole week. But let's get into the video. That's enough talking. Face small. Let's go. So this will be the last time we're using this particular budget. We're going to go back to our basic plan next month. This month, this is August. So we have everything came out, and savings. We're looking for $1 for Navy Federal and all of these things to put in the actual category. So let's go into our bank account and see what we got paid, and then 7034 for we paid the card. I don't even know if we put that on here. No. And then Discover card got paid $22. That's because it was all prior. So we started here with the money that we transferred in, our 15, 15, 15, which is showed here in our savings that went to health sinking funds, emergency fund, beauty fund, and household sinking fund. And then we went $612 and $233. This was a payment to the card that went in and out. Here it is, us putting it in. Is this a credit card? Where did it come out? I'm not sure what this is. What is this? Oh, mortgage. Sorry. This was us putting our mortgage money back in and our car payment money back in. As you can see, we added transfers, and those transfers equal 846.48. Let me show you on the log. This one, am I doing this? I can't. It's a little different for me. So on our log, it'll show that we sent over money. If I can find it. We transferred 233 and we transferred 612, and that was for the mortgage. I should have let my stuff notes, and this was for the rest of the car payment. Here we are where we're starting at $1. So $1 was for Navy Federal. So let me go back to the log and log that on 7/31. We had $1 come through. You guys, please give me some grace because I left my little USB that plugs in my mouse and my keyboard to work, and they're not working. So I'm using an old mouse and trying to use the keyboard that is on the laptop. So just give me some grace, please. So $1 here, and that's gonna come out of savings. And that's going to come from the Navy Federal category. Or not. Where's Navy Federal? Okay, I guess it's called Navy Fed. And spelled wrong. But we're not going to fix that now. Y'all could have told me it was spelled wrong, the disrespect of it all. Okay. And so then we went to the ATM and took out $220. The way that works out on this, though, is that was for my cash envelope stuffing. So that's 80, 80, 20, and 40. So let's add those so that they show on the screen to the log. So that was, according to them, on the 31st as well. So just copy. Oh, where is it on this little laptop? paste, and that's 80, 80, 20. You guys cannot even see me, I'm sorry. 20, 40, and they're all part of, what is that a part of? Expensive? Yeah, expenses. Expenses, expenses, expenses. And one will be for, the first one is groceries, gas. $20 was self-care this week, and then we had allowance. So those should all pop up now in our budget for week 3. There they go. The actuals are there, so we can take this fill out, and we know that it went in already. Next, we see we have $101.41 for the phone. So we actually need to log that because we didn't have that in there, and that is a date of August 1st. 101.41, and that is in bills, I believe, and cell phone. No, cell phone. The bill's not a thing, really. Okay. And then the next thing here, we have interest of 4 cents. Yay! So we need to add that. Did we already have that? I don't think so. So miscellaneous, we can add that miscellaneous income. And that was given to us on August 1st. No, that was the 31st. Why is that behind it? Anyway, so that was 4 cents, and that was for income. Why are you being difficult? Oh, income and miscellaneous. Okay, and we'll write in there so we know that this was interest. Something about that don't look right, but okay. And then the next thing I see is my car payment came out 466.09. So that was a bill. Car payment. Oh no, I think that's under debt. I'm sorry. That was a debt, and that's the car payment. And that was for 466.09. And that shows that comes out on August 1st. Okay. Then the next thing we see is our mortgage coming out on August 2nd. Okay. And that's 1,225.96. And that is, I don't, y'all cannot see me. I am so sorry, y'all. Me and the camera are not set up today to work well. Let's see. That's under bills, and that is mortgage. Okay. And then, okay, you guys. So I have to make my face big for this because I need to just give a really big shout out to my girl Candace. I looked up on Friday, and then I got confused because I was like, who took $100 out my account? What bill did I forget to pay? I was getting hot. And I was like, what the heck is going on? Da, 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 da. Y'all, I thought I lost the thing. I'm like, what's poking me? The thing for my mouse and my keyboard. Over it. Over it. But happy it's here, but annoyed that I didn't know. Anyway, I'm like, what is poking me in my butt? Live videotaping, y'all. I'm not cutting none of that out. But shout out to my girl Candace from Bearing It All with Candace. Girl, I appreciate you so very much, my friend. She sent me $100 for absolutely no reason. I had to email him like, did I win something? Did I forget that I entered a giveaway? Why did you do that? She was just like, happy Friday. And you guys know my August budget, or maybe you don't know, August budget is negative. So I'm like $100. Wow, she did not have to do that. So we have extra income from a miscellaneous source. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. Thank you, Candace. Thank you, 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 thank you. May the Lord bless and keep you. This is why you constantly have money, because you're constantly giving. And I'm so, so appreciative and so, so grateful for you. Come on, grateful gang, gang, gang OG member. I appreciate and love you so much. Thank you so much. So much. Okay, so let's see where that's going. That was on the 4th. Oh, Friday. That really did make my Friday. And that was $100. And that's actually going to go under income. And then that is going to go under miscellaneous because we didn't know that was coming. I mean, look at that. Thank you so much, girl. And then I paid my Zumba $40 on the 4th. And that was $40. And that's going to come out of bills. And that's going to be for Zumba. The disrespect of it all. Um, or is it under gym? I'm sorry, it might be under gym. I'm like, what? Okay, and then so I got blessed, and I felt like I needed to bless somebody else. So I sent $25 to my girl Tasha from Mind Your Money, just because if somebody was gonna give me a just because, I'm gonna give somebody else a just because, just to keep it rolling. So thank you, Candice, for giving me a blessing so I can bless others. I feel like God blesses us so we can bless somebody else. So I'm so grateful that I'm sure she would put her money to good use. She's a great budgeting. Both these channels will be linked down in the description as well as in iCards above. But let's finish out this video so we are not here all day. But I know you're going to make good use of your money, Tosh. So on that same day, I went ahead and I sent $25. I guess that's an expense. And I don't have a category for it, I don't think. I need to have a category that says giving and stop playing. Stop playing, sis. So I can go to the start and under expenses, I'm gonna make something that says giving, just so I have it. And then I'm gonna go back to my log and I'm gonna write giving. Very nice. With the Candace is amazing and gift to Tasha. Okay. Okay. So now when I go back to my budget, everything should be filled out and we should match what we have in the account. So this all should be clear. Listen to me. And this never was due. This trash sewer, I don't think is due until September. So it's just gonna be rolling with us till September to pay. I don't see another bill or whatever in my thing. So, and we paid this. So now, when we go to what we have in our account, we should see that we have, what is happening? We should see that we have um, the same amount. So according to this, I should have $293.80 left to budget. And that is exactly what we have in the bank, $293.80. Yay! Now, this is the end of July. So, when we close this out, we are going to have to figure out what we're going to do with this money. So, immediately, I'm going to be putting hold on, you guys, let me figure it out. All right, guys, so I think I know what I want to do, and I'm just going to do a whole bunch of transfers. So I'm going to transfer because we want to get this to a zero-based budget. And I'm going to transfer actually what I'm going to do over here, because I don't feel like logging all the things are about to transfer. I'm going to log as of today, the 8th. Oh, well, how far does this go to? The 10th. Okay, cool beans. I'm gonna log as of today, the 8th, that we're moving all of the 293.80 out, and we're putting it to bills and buffer. That way, on the end of our thing it will say zero. Perfect. We're zero base budget here. So let's make it happen in the bank now. So from here, first thing I think we're gonna transfer to is, I guess I can make my face big now. The first thing I think we're gonna transfer to is emergency fund, because we're actually working on the emergency fund right now. And we got to talk about those saving challenges because I'm considering whether I want to do them one at a time or work on them all at once. And I'm thinking one at a time. It's who I am. So I've always said that. So we're going to put an additional $50 in emergency fund. Boom, success. And then we're also going to transfer $80 to the buffer. Build a buffer because that's what we'll be using on those days when now that I'm going to be get paid a little bit less, I'll be using that buffer a lot more often to cover all the transactions. So why not use the excess money that Candace sent me and we saved towards that buffer? Girl, I appreciate you. So the buffer is getting 80, transfer success. And then I'm going to transfer $50 to trash because we do have some money in our trash sewer account. We have $99, but once we pay that next bill for September, we're going to pretty much be down to zero. So I just want to start replenishing it because that's a bill that has to be paid. So we're putting $50 to trash sewer success. Then I'm going to, because my birthday is this month. So Candace, thank you for the happy birthday gift, early birthday gift. My birthday is on the 24th. So the birthday fund does have some money, but the money I was saving for my birthday, I've just been using for other people's birthday as they come. So whatever is in there is in there. So on the born day fund, I'm going to add an additional $40 so I can hopefully do something. And what did I do? Oh, I'm like, oh, I did the wrong thing. It's supposed to go from Tara's major keys to the birthday fund, which actually has $125 in it, which is good. Success. So now it's gonna have what, 175? Okay. And then there's 7380 left, and I am going to use that for savings challenges. So let me see what account I can put. Oh, I guess I could put that in Hold Your Horses because that's where all the money that needs to be allocated usually goes. Um, hmm. What's probably going to end up is going to end up going to emergency fund because I think I decided that I'm going to work on one thing at a time anyway. So I should probably just throw it in the emergency fund right now since we know that's what we're working on. And then when we do the saving challenge at the end of August, we'll update and see where we're at. So yeah, I'm going to just go do that. I'm going to put the rest of the $73.80 to savings. I am supposed to get my paycheck by Thursday or Friday. It's Tuesday now, so we're just gonna be nothing in the account for now. There should be nothing else that needs to come out, so I'm not gonna worry about it. 7380 and more to the emergency fund. Because we're just trying to get it funded to $3,000. Once we get to that $3,000, we can start saving for appliances and AC unit. So success, there's $0 in the account, and there's also $0 on our budget. So we've made it to a zero-based budget, you guys. That's the closeout of August. Pretty much I'm sorry, no, that's the closeout of July and our last paycheck in July. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. I'm sorry about the camera and it being all over the place and me being all over the place, and maybe it's not the best quality today, but I hope you were able to follow along and you enjoyed. Thanks so much for watching. Remember, order to be great, you have to be grateful. And I'm super duper grateful for you. Have a wonderful, blessed day. All things are working out for those who believe in the Lord, and it's faith over fear this year. But what? Not just here, but what? Forever, forever, ever, forever, ever, ever, forever, ever, 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 Bye. Jazz hands.